talk about in a post on X on the 1st of June. Jairam Ramesh had claimed the outgoing Home Minister has been calling up DMs and collectors just before the counting day. He called it as a blatant and a brazen intimidation step showing how desperate the BJP is. After being served EC notice, he repeated his intimidation tactic claim.
हमारे निवर्तमान प्रधानमंत्री और निवर्तमान गृह मंत्री ये सब मनोवैज्ञानिक खेल खेल रहे हैं, दबाव डाल रहे हैं सभी विपक्ष की पार्टियों के ऊपर, चुनाव आयोग के ऊपर, काउंटिंग एजेंट के ऊपर, रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर के ऊपर, और धमकी दिया जा रहा है। एक माहौल पैदा किया जा रहा है। इंडिया जनबंधन पार्टियों की ओर से एक डेलीगेशन चुनाव आयोग से मिलने वाला है। कुछ मुद्दे हैं, महत्वपूर्ण मुद्दे हैं काउंटिंग दिवस को लेकर, उस पर बातचीत होगी और जो हमारी मांगे हैं चुनाव आयोग के सामने हम रखेंगे।
But a war of words now is raging on between Congress and the company and also the BJP over these allegations. While some in the BJP have cited Jairam Ramesh's apology to Ajit Doval in a defamation case 4 years ago to say that he has a habit of making outlandish claims and apologizing later. Others have been saying that it is nothing but creating grounds for excuses ahead of the impending poll loss. Congress ally Akhilesh Yadav, though, repeated Jairam Ramesh's claims, saying that the exit poll data is based on DMs and not on EVMs, indirectly hinting at poll rigging. But he was swiftly countered by the candidate against him in Kannauj, which is Subrat Pathak.
Jairam Ramesh questioning the Election Commission is questioning the prosperity of our flourishing democracy. Obviously, the Congress party are left with no arguments, and that's why they get into this character assassination of the Prime Minister, questioning of the Election Commission, talking about EVMs, talking about exit polls. I would only want to say, ki jo jeeta wohi Sikandar, accept it with grace and do understand that history has been created by Prime Minister Modi because of his honest, hard-working, transparent ways.
Go across to Sabyasachi on this. Sabyasachi, several theories that have been floating as far as the India bloc is concerned, because we don't know exactly what's going to come tomorrow as far as the results are there, but they have now been already claiming that there is something wrong with the EVMs. Then they have been also talking about poll rigging. They talk about psychological warfare. Now they also claim that the DMs are being pressurized.
Well, absolutely. See, various reasons are coming in from the opposition leaders. Now, Jairam Ramesh, who had levelled allegation against Home Minister Amit Shah for intimidating the DMs, he said that the HM allegedly had called around 150 DMs in the country, and the BJP is putting pressure on the DMs. See, that is the reason why the ECI has sought answer from Jairam Ramesh. See, as per the Congress sources, the team of lawyers of Jairam Ramesh would soon file a reply to the ECI. Meanwhile, today's press conference from the ECI would be extremely crucial because this particular press conference would be focusing on the allegations, on the different allegations rather, which has been put across by the opposition parties towards the Election Commission, stating that the central government time and again is putting pressure on the DMs and the returning officer. So all these allegations would be handled by the ECI today, and also would be speaking how the election was free and fair in the country. Right. Meanwhile, we are seeing that the war of words is going to escalate between both the political parties, but time and again we are seeing that different allegations.
A delegation of the Congress that has taken up on what they call as a demands before the poll body. Remains to be seen if all of them will be addressed today in a briefing that will be taken up just before the election results. Sabyasachi, thank you very much for joining in. Meanwhile, the Congress has doubled down its attack on the centre. The Congress party is now demanding inquiry into the same. Let's listen in.
So if it's called them, then it has to be inquired. If it is true, then it is a very great threat to democracy.
All right, to the claims that have been made by Congress leader Jairam Ramesh, Congress leaders other than that have been seeking and demanding for an inquiry. With that, we head into a short break. You're watching India's Election News Headquarters.